Welcome back to our ongoing series on gas grills and public health, and today we're going to answer some of your most pressing questions that you sent us on the intersection between gas grills and public health. Today we're going to focus on questions that were pertaining to the relationship between gas grills and global health. So let's get right into it. So first question was, how do gas grills contribute to non-communicable diseases globally? Gas grilling, especially at high temperatures, can lead to the formation of potential carcinogens in food. When consumed regularly, these can actually increase the risk of diseases like various forms of cancer, making it essential to understand and mitigate these risks, no matter where in the world we are grilling. Are there specific regions where gas grills pose a greater health risk? While gas grilling is popular all around the world, regions with limited access to health information or where high temperature grilling is a staple might face higher risks. How do gas grills impact air quality on a global scale? Gas grills emit pollutants that can contribute to both indoor and outdoor air pollution. While their emissions are generally lower than charcoal or wood grills, the cumulative effect, especially in densely populated areas, can impact air quality and health. What are some ways to reduce the environmental impact of gas grilling? Simple steps like avoiding excessive preheating, ensuring proper maintenance to prevent gas leaks, and shutting off the grill promptly can reduce fuel consumption and emissions. How do gas grills contribute to climate change? Gas grills use fossil fuels like propane and natural gas. When burned, they release greenhouse gases, which ultimately contribute to global warming. It's a small piece of the larger puzzle of our global carbon footprint. Are there eco-friendly alternatives to the traditional gas grill? Yes, so innovations like the solar-powered grills or using biofuels as the fuel source for gas grills are emerging. These alternatives aim to reduce the environmental impact of grilling, offering a greener way to enjoy our favorite grilled dishes. How have countries responded to the health and the environmental challenges posed by gas grilling? Different countries have taken varied approaches. Some have launched public health campaigns promoting safer grilling, while others have introduced regulations on grill manufacturing and emissions. For example, in the United States, the state of California has developed new standards requiring more ventilation for gas stoves than compared to electrical starting in the year 2023. This is part of a broader effort to reduce the use of gas grills in buildings to both combat climate change and improve public health. The Biden administration's climate plan also includes incentives for people to switch from residential gas to all electric appliances in their homes. If you want to find out more information about this, please click on the link in the description below. Are there any global initiatives promoting healthier grilling practices? Several international health organizations and environmental groups promote healthier and safer and sustainable grilling. These initiatives aim to educate the public, ensuring that our collective love for grilling doesn't compromise our health or the health of the planet. For instance, the American Institute for Cancer Research, or AICR, is actively involved in raising awareness about the hidden health risks associated with grilling practices. They provide valuable guidelines and recommendations on the website, such as opting to grill vegetables and fruits, which don't produce HCAs. They also advise against consuming charred edges of foods and minimizing fat drippage, which can lead to the formation of harmful chemicals during the grilling process. These initiatives are crucial in educating the public on healthier and more sustainable grilling practices, ensuring that our love for grilling does not compromise our health or the well-being of our planet. Find out more information about what the AICR is doing by clicking on the link in the description below. How can an individual contribute to promoting safer grilling on a global scale? Every individual can make a difference by adopting safer grilling practices, sharing knowledge, and supporting eco-friendly grilling solutions. It's like each person plants a tree. Collectively, we can create a forest of change. How does the impact of gas grilling compare to other cooking methods in terms of global health? While gas grilling has its unique challenges, other cooking methods such as frying and smoking also have health implications. It's essential to understand the risks and benefits of all cooking methods to make informed, healthy choices. We've talked about a lot of the health risks associated with gas grills. Are there any health benefits of gas grilling? Gas grills often use less oil than frying, potentially reducing the caloric and the fat intake. Additionally, grilling can retain more of the nutrients of food inside it compared to other methods like boiling. Are there any global grilling traditions that have inherently safer grilling practices? Some cultures use marinades with ingredients that reduce harmful chemical formations, or they grill at lower temperatures, inherently making the grilling process safer. For instance, a Japanese grilling method known as robatayaki or robata is one such tradition. In robata, food items like seafood, vegetables, and meats are placed in long paddles and are cooked slowly over hot charcoal. The slow cooking process allows for precise control of the temperature, reducing the risk of overcooking the food, and consequently the formation of harmful chemicals. So next time you grill, maybe take a leaf out of the Japanese grilling handbook and try robatayaki for more safer, healthier, and tasty grilling. And finally, how can viewers remain up to date with the latest information on safe grilling? Our YouTube channel is a dedicated platform for us to explore some of the most interesting as well as less discussed topics like grilling. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and visit us regularly to see what we're talking about and what you can do to promote your health. But that's all I have for this Q&A. Thanks for watching. My name is Umair Majid. I'm from the Methodologists. If you found this Q&A helpful, please let us know by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until the next Q&A, take care.